Install the filter onto the designated port. Note, if the rubber ring on the filter is missing or damaged, replace it before installation. The device includes spare fuses for internal fuse replacement in case of malfunction. Use a screwdriver to open the fuse holder and replace the damaged fuse with a spare. There is an air intake hole at the back of the instrument. By unscrewing the cover of the air intake hole, you can see a white silicone ring on the top of the cover. If this silicone ring gets damaged, a new one can be replaced. There is a filter cotton inside the inhalation hole. It is recommended to replace this filter cotton once a week. After replacement, tighten the cover. Connect the power cord. Activate the power button. To test if the instrument has suction, cover the air intake hole with your hand. If you feel a suction force, then the instrument has suction. Demonstrating the Breast Enhancement Cup and the small Y tube. Attach one end of the small Y tube to the air inlet and connect the Y head to the Breast Enhancement Cup. Demonstrating the Buttock Enhancement Cup and the large Y tube. Attach one end of the large Y tube to the air intake and connect the Y head to the Buttock Enhancement Cup. Because the instrument has only one inhalation hole, the Breast Enlargement Cup and the Buttock Augmentation Cup can only be selected to install and use one at a time. Time display and adjustment button 090 min. Negative pressure suction strength display and adjustment button 560 kPa. Real-time display of negative pressure suction intensity, 0 to 60 kPa. When the machine releases the air, all the air pressure is completely exhausted and returns to 0. When the instrument is venting, the air pressure can be adjusted. The pressure level is controlled by the rotating knob at the top of the machine. Suction time display and adjustment buttons 1120S. Release time display and adjustment buttons 0120S. Work mode selection. You can choose to work in a single mode or multiple modes. When the machine is not started and a single mode is selected, the mode parameters can be saved. The Save button is used for saving the parameters. Start/pause. Reset. Press the Start/pause button to initiate the process. If you feel uncomfortable due to excessive suction force during use, you can release the suction by pressing the emergency suction pause button located on the top of the machine. Press the Start/pause button to stop the operation. M0 M8 default parameters. M0 default startup mode. At this point, all parameters can be set arbitrarily. Press the Start button to activate the machine. For breast augmentation mode, the recommended settings are M1 M4. For buttock augmentation mode, the recommended settings are M5 M8. Note, the breast enhancement and buttock enhancement modes mentioned above are recommended options under the factory default settings. After the parameters of M1 M8 are modified, the above suggestions will no longer apply. Not choosing a work mode, M0, default startup mode. At this point, all parameters can be set arbitrarily. Press the Start button to activate the machine. Select single operation mode. For example, if you select the M2 mode, the screen will display the relevant parameters of the M2 mode. If you need to modify the relevant parameters of the M2 mode, you can adjust any parameter and then click Save to save. Adjust the working time. The time being adjusted here is the total working time of the instrument. Click the Start button. The instrument will work according to the set M2 parameters. When choosing multi-mode cycling operation, for example, if you select M1 plus M2 plus M3 plus M4, the screen will first display the mode M1. After selecting the mode, the working time displayed is the total working duration of the M1 plus M2 plus M3 plus M4 mode. Press the Start button, and the instrument will work according to the sequence of the selected modes. It will first work according to the parameters of M1, then sequentially work in the order of M1, M2, M3, M4 until the working time is over. When the instrument is working in a certain mode, the corresponding mode icon will flash to indicate it. During the operation, only the working time can be adjusted. If you increase the working time after starting the operation, for example, if the added time exceeds the total working duration of the M1, M4 modes, the machine will work in the M4 mode until it finishes, and then start cycling in the order of M1, M2, M3, M4 again. Turn off the power button, and unplug the power cord.